how to see your hats on the Amazon homepage. So all you have to do is hover over your name to the top right of the Amazon homepage and then click on your account. From here, scroll down until you see a hyperlink that says profile. If you can't find it, then press Ctrl and F and then type profile. So we can see that it's here on amazon.co.uk underneath ordering and shopping preferences. There's profile. It might be somewhere else, so just look around until you find profile. For me, it's under here, and then click on profile. Once you've clicked on that, you will simply see your reviews. So for me, I have one hat. Now, a hat is when you click on this review was helpful. If you click on that, it counts as a hat. So for me, I said that Lost box set was a very good series and someone decided to give it a helpful review. So I have a grand total of one hat on my profile, and that is how you can find how many people found your reviews helpful on Amazon. If this video helped, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment. It lets me know that I helped you guys out, and that would be great.